Right, so I'm going to tell you how I make my music videos. And today I'm making a music video short. So I use Kdenlive, and I am opening a new project. And I have just gone to import my music track. And I'm just shortening it to a minute because shorts can only have a minute long. So I'm using the scissors to edit it and then pressing escape and then deleting that section. And then I start from the beginning and listen to the music that I'm going to use. And my shots did all the crisps and the cake and the cookies that I bake. Now shorts can only have a minute, and this is going over a minute because I'm trying to fit in the chorus. So I've decided to cut a bit more of the beginning out so that it's got the chorus in it. So I'm going back and deleting 5 or 6 seconds at the beginning. So now I've got my length of my music to under a minute. Then I tend to listen to it and write down the significant words that I'm looking for stock footage for. I then use Pexels or Pixabay, but today I'm using Pexels to look for stock footage. But here I save to a collection, so I keep them all together. But I've just realised I'm on photos and not videos, and I really want videos for this short. So I select videos and search again. I'm looking for the long format videos to choose from. I just scroll down and see if I can find one that suits the words in the videos. So I find one, I like it, I add it to my collection and I download it. And I make a note of the person who has made video so that I can thank them in my YouTube description. Now I'm looking for somebody wearing shorts, and this girl's wearing shorts and doing exercise, so I'll use that one. Now I'm looking for somebody who's running, but I need a long format. Now I've got all my pictures together that I wanted. I go to project and I load in my file with all my footage that I've collected from the Pexel site, and then I pull down from, I go and have a look through them, and then I pick the one that I want to go to the music, and then I edit it. Sometimes I pull them all down first and then edit them after. But my shots display, people tell me to. I realise that I haven't got a photo that fits the song, so I go back to my Pexels page and find another picture that I want that suits better. It's quite quick to do a short, so I thought I'd show you me making a short, but I also make long form videos. Oh wait, what's long form? People tell me to. I also make normal videos for YouTube. From the same footage from the same place. People tell me to run. But they take 3 or 4, they're about 3 or 4 minutes long, so I thought I'd show you one that was a minute long. The speed. Exercise doesn't work. You pass me a 4. You pass. You pass me a 4. I just keep getting. I just muted the soundtrack for the videos. Some of the videos on the Pexels and Pixabay sites have sound, so I just mute those because I've got my own music. Getting bigger. It's running. I made a mistake there. I put the wrong clip in, so I now have to fit in the clip that I wanted. And it's quite a large clip, so I have to move those videos along to fit it in, just so I can edit it. There, I finished it, and I've got an extra piece of video that I need to get rid of because I didn't need to use it in the end. And I go back and listen to the whole and watch the whole video again just to make sure I haven't made any mistakes. I've tried to wait and all the stuff that's sweet. It's all the crisps and the cake and the cookies that I bake. And then I save it, and it's not showing you on this, me saving it, because the pop-up boxes aren't showing, but I save it and then I go to project, render, and that's what I'm doing now, and it brings up a box, project, render, and it'll bring up a box that you then click on that says render to file. And then I wait for to be finished. Then I go onto YouTube, my YouTube channel. I was having a bit of trouble seeing the upload new video box, but I get it in the end. Upload a video, select files, and it brings up a box with my videos in, and I select Fatter, which is the name of, and I'm just reusing details here of the video I've already uploaded, but I'm putting it in a different playlist. Now, because I'm reusing details, it's got details of the normal video that I've done for this song. So I need to delete all those names. Nearly all of those names. And write in all the new names of I like to thank the people that I've used their footage. So I'm just writing in their names now. This is supposed to be a short, but I've just realised that something's wrong because it's not coming up as a short. It's coming up as a normal video, so I might need to go and change that. Don't know what's gone wrong. Yeah, it's gone on as a normal video. It might have been too long, that might have been the problem, so I'm going to go back and check whether it was too long, because it should have come up in the shorts video. And that's how to make a music video or a music video short from the Pexels royalty-free stock footage site. I hope that's been of some help. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's all the crisp and the